In this video, we'll be repairing a damaged ABS plastic vehicle under tray using the Sealey Plastic Welding Repair Kit. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, or PPE. Most adhesion failures are due to the incorrect matching of materials. The welding rod therefore must be the same material as the item being welded. Most car body parts are made of ABS material, although some manufacturers use different plastics in their products. To test, snip off a piece of material from the work to be welded. Set light to the sample with a naked flame. If the flame gives off black smoke, it's almost certain to be ABS. If in doubt, contact the item manufacturer. Clean and remove any paint from the surface areas of the pieces to be welded. Cut a chamfer on adjoining pieces to form a groove that can be filled with weld. Thoroughly preheat both surfaces to be welded. They should be soft but not tacky. Attach the plastic welding with pipe guide attachment to the device. Position the tip over the material to be welded and feed the welding rod through the slot. Move the device along the groove at a consistent speed, ensuring that the plastic rod is melting and filling the groove. With practice, a good flat weld can be achieved by applying pressure on the nozzle as the rod is drawn along. Attach the staple attachment to the device. Choose a suitable heating repair pin and place it in the tip of the stapler. Press the switch button on the grip for 5 to 10 seconds until the pin is hot enough to weld. Then press the pin gently against the damaged surface. When the pin is halfway into the plastic material, stop pressing and release the power button. Once the plastic has cooled and the staple is fully secure, pull the stapler gun gently back to release it. If the damaged surface is very long or wide, insert extra pins at half-inch intervals. Cut off the pins with a side cutter. Then grind the remains of the pin with a sander or grinder. For larger holes and gaps in plastic, the reinforcing mesh will need to be used. Firstly, create a chamfer around the area of the hole that needs to be repaired. Cut the mesh so it is slightly larger than the gap that needs to be filled. Attach the plastic welding attachment to the device. Preheat the surface around the hole so that it's slightly soft. Place the cut piece of mesh over the hole and press it gently into the surface of the plastic using the welding tip. Continue around the edge of the hole until the mesh is securely held in the plastic. Replace the tip of the device with the plastic welding with pipe guide attachment. Feed the welding rod through the slot and move the device slowly over the mesh to begin filling the area with plastic. For best results, maintain a consistent pressure and speed so that the plastic is evenly distributed. Allow to cool, then grind down the area with a sander or grinder so that it sits flush. For more videos and how-to instructional guides, please visit our website at www.sealey.co.uk.